Our county's been nestled between sand and summit for eons, but is her heritage on our lips, at our fingertips? The new Gwynedd Ambassador course allows us to meet her anew. Online and free, we can now see again the richness of this place, the enchanting landscape that pulls us outdoors and brings a million visitors to the walks and the waters. Our people and their stories, cultures, communities of slate and sound. Castles and legends, those rugged coasts lending epic adventures in crashing waves and steep climbs, and the language that chimes throughout. Heritage with a heartbeat. With this new course, anyone, the public, businesses, pupils and teachers alike, can learn more about their bro, can have that magic and history, a ready story on the tip of their tongue. Our county's been nestled between sand and summit for eons. Now let's have her heritage on our lips, at our fingertips. Let's all become ambassadors for Gwynedd.